Let me show you how to send messages in Cisco Webex Teams. When you send messages in Webex Teams, you're not limited to just basic text. You can make them easier to read, call attention to them, or just have some more fun. Send a message letting people know that it's time to start preparing for an upcoming meeting. Enter your message and press Return to send it. When you're ready to get feedback on that presentation you've been working on, share it or any other files in the space to ask for input. Ready to post the agenda? Format it before you send it so it stands out and everyone can quickly scan for details. As people respond, let them know you're excited about what they're saying by using emojis in your replies. If you haven't heard back from everyone about the meeting, you can @mention them to make sure they've seen the agenda. On the day of the meeting kickoff, share a GIF to get everyone excited about it. You're going to have a great, productive time thanks to all the prep work you've done and shared. Give it a try.